Hey, good morning, everyone. And this morning, I'm going to show you how to aid navigation to a KMP project. And KMP means Kotlin multi-platform, and so it can support desktop and Android and iOS. So it would allow you to develop a cross-platform app using Kotlin and one set of composed code. And so yeah, I'm going to show you how to set up the navigation. As you can see here, it's in the common main in the Kotlin source code, and you can create a package named Navy. And in this Navy, you need to firstly create your screen, and it's a sealed class. So, for example, you have a home screen, and you have a settings screen, and you have a detail screen. And this is just for example, so can showcase how you can build this navigation. And for your own case, you can just accordingly change and modify accordingly. And you can see also create a tab screens and contains a list of the screens here. And then you create another Kotlin file. It's called Navy view model. So this view model will be used for store the state of the screen, right? Also have a method of navigation, go back, select tab, etc. So yeah, as you can see here is a standard, quite typical use of mutable state flow. And you can have a private one and actual be the single source of truth of the screen, which screen is in foreground, and then this current screen as a state flow, not mutable, so it would be exposed to the composables and to be used as a collected state of the screen. Similarly, because in this sample, we would have a different navigation UI for desktop app and mobile apps. For example, in the mobile apps, mostly the more popular or typical case is use a BottomNavBar. But for desktop, it will be a different case. It's usually it's not very user-friendly if you have a button bar. So mostly it's easier for the customer to use. It's like a tab on the top, right? So it will have this tab index. This is for the desktop use. And then in the init, we build this it's desktop to acquire the platform information. So if it started with Java, for example, it's a desktop. Otherwise, it will be a mobile. And in this, if a desktop with the collect information for the tab index to update accordingly whenever the navigation be updated. Yeah, I'll just stay here for a few seconds so you can use the code and copy to your own code base. And then we provide a few methods, you can create your own, it doesn't matter, navigate, it will update the current screen value to whatever the other screens you want to navigate to. And go back would be a method. You can just go back to the home screen. Or if you want to keep a stack of the screen, whatever you want, you can just make the implementation by yourselves. And select tab is similarly, let's update the value of the tab. Yeah, the last one is an extension to help to help you synchronize those state of the screens. Okay, next one we go to the app, right? It's a composable main composable we use to show our screen. So you can see here, firstly, we use coin to inject our Navy view model. And then from this view model, we can collect the state of the current screen and current tab index. So those two would be used in decide which screen we are at the moment, right? So for for the mobile apps, right, for Android and iOS app, we use this scaffold and bottom bar. So as you can see here, we have the bottom navigation, and we just build the bottom navigation item and just fill those parameters like accordingly. I'll just stay here for a few seconds so you can grab the code for yourself. Okay, and then like this would be for the desktop, right? And this would be for the edge-to-edge adaptation, right? You just add this Windows insect the status bar as padding value, so it won't be overridden by the status bar on Android or iOS, especially for Android. And then this table row is for desktop, is for the top tab bar for desktop, for example, on MacBook or on Windows PC, and just to stay here for a few seconds to go grab the code. And this will be a tab and spacer, just and then there's a screen content. So abstract this, and so it's kind of like a event clause, like and whatever the screen, the current you get from the Navy view model, and it would like decide which screen you go. So I'll briefly show you the demo what this looks like. Yeah, as you can see here, it's a desktop build. You can see like you can click this and go to different page. And another one would be the Android desktop. And yeah, you can see here this will be the bottom bar, and you can see the navigation works properly. Okay, so that is the content for today. Thanks for watching.